build even bigger and better things every year. That's why we're here, to sit all together, bring all our crazy ideas together, and yeah, make it a reality next year.
I believe the ski and snowboard cross will add a aspect of diversity to this event. You know, they're bringing in their speed, and they're gonna challenge us differently, and together we can create something new.
Slopestyle is the perfect combination of both worlds. Build this massive course, it's a lot of effort, and you can just go hit it like a slopestyle course. You can go fast, you can ride with all your buddies at the same time. I just like the whole idea of it so much. I can't wait for it.
Jonas in Sölden, April 14th for the Audi Nines.